Well, hey guys, what's up? This is RC.Nelson from MattiBurns Creative Studio, and I want to invite you to another weekly sketchbook. It's going to be awesome. Today we're doing something a little different. Basically, all through my 20s, I did music and I was in a band, released a few albums, produced most of it. As I've started to build my business, it's kind of shifted a little bit to being more scores and soundtracks. So today I was making this sci-fi kind of really cool cinematic score, and I want to show you. I want to break down the sounds. I want to talk about what you're hearing and the evolution of that, and like what story is popping in your head as we're listening to it. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So let's dive in. And what I have here is this is Logic Pro 10. And I did a little loop over here to kind of show you, kind of give you a taste. All right, so I love that. I actually played that on my keyboard, and most of these I actually played on my keyboard. So this next one is more of, if you think of it as foreground, middle ground, and background, this is more of the background. Let that resonate out a little bit. You probably hear that it's on the right side. I panned it to the right just for a better stereo quality. And then this is the foreground. So, now I want to show you the full thing, and I would love to know what you guys think. Here we go. So of course I have a long way to go, but there's already like this soundscape kind of puts this visual image in your head. I'd love to see what you guys thought about it. I'd love to hear what music you're working on, but I could just kind of see this whole world kind of coming together, and it's really cool. Anyways, find me on Facebook. It's at MattiBurns.studio. You can find me on Instagram at RC.Nelson, and let's keep doing work. Let's keep getting better. Let's progress. All that sort of stuff. So I'll catch you next week, and I'll see you later. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's RC again. Check out these videos. This is my weekly sketchbook, and I want to invite you. Every Tuesday at 12 p.m., I put out a new sketchbook, and something new, some drawing or 3D model or some music or whatever, because ultimately I am on a path to kind of creating my own little entertainment studio. But really, it's about the daily practice. So once you check it out, I'd love to see some of your work. Why don't you leave a comment? It'd be so much fun to actually connect with each other. So that's it. I'll see you guys. See you next Tuesday at 12:12.